I'll be making stretch mark oil for a very stubborn stretch mark. If you have a very stubborn stretch mark and you're willing to get rid of it, this is the final resort solution that I've practiced and I've used myself several times. I'll be showing you all the ingredients I'll be putting into this stretch mark oil. Kindly please subscribe to my YouTube and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I'll be showing you what I'll be using. Let me show you the product first. I'll be putting in my base, which is the Python oil. You can get this Python oil from any of the local herb store of your choice. I'll be using my aloe vera gel, and I'll be using my neem oil. I'll be using my glycerine, and I'll be using my coconut oil, the one that I made myself. You can always get one from the shop. And I'll be using miracle powder. Miracle powder is good for sunburns, black spot pimples, stretch mark. And I'll be showing you the quantity of what you will be needing to add into this oil. I have my measurement tablespoon, my 1 spoon measurement one, and I also have my half spoon measurement as well. And I also have my container ready that I'll be putting it into once I finish. I'll be making 6 bottles, but if you're a first timer, I recommend you do a little first to get yourself used to the product. So here we go. Kindly please give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and please, before you do any of your skincare products, always make sure your hands are clean. I'm putting on my gloves. Make sure your container is highly hygienic and clean. All your utilize that you'll be using, make sure they're all clean and hygienic. So let's go, and I'll show you how I make my own stretch mark oil for a very stubborn stretch mark. Come on, let's go. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, please click the like button and all pause to subscribe to this YouTube. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. For more videos, to get notification on whenever I post a video, please subscribe to this YouTube and give our videos a thumbs up. First, I'll be putting in my Python oil as my base. Because I'm making 6 bottles, I'll be doing, because Python oil is like gold. It is gold. I'll definitely be doing 3 spoons of my Python oil. Python oil is good to eradicate scars. It's from snakes, so it's good to eradicate scars. So I'll be doing 3 spoons. I would suggest you rub it on your skin twice a day to get it less visible, and gradually within 3 weeks it will definitely become less visible. Now I'll be adding my neem oil. Neem oil, we all know, is good for skin. It makes your skin look very nourished and very nice. I will be using half a spoon of neem oil. Forget about the smell. Please do not worry about the smell. Neem oil doesn't smell great, but the nutrients that it has for skin is what I want you to focus on. And I can, I'll add another half spoon. Why not? Because we're making 6 jars. Sorry, I forget. I can forget. That's all right. And I'll be adding my coconut oil. This is my coconut oil. Because of, don't worry about the smell of the oil. I'll be adding 2 spoons. This should be enough. Okay. Now I'll be getting my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera. You can always get aloe vera of your choice. We all know aloe vera is good for skin and is highly recommended for stretch mark. So I'll be using 1 spoon of aloe vera. Now I will be adding my glycerine. One spoon. Okay. Then now I will be adding my miracle powder. But before I add my miracle powder, I will be mixing it very well to dissolve the aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is really good for skin, so you really want to add your aloe vera very well. Forget about the smell. It's not gonna smell really lovely or any. Please ignore the voice at the background. That's my baby boy playing. And I'll be adding the secret now, which is the miracle powder. So the miracle powder can be you just need a pinch of it. You don't want to put too much. Just a little pinch of it is okay. I'll be adding my miracle powder. Make sure you get original one, please, if you're buying. I'll be adding a pinch of it. Yeah, just a pinch. So if it can be, you know, hard inside it, but make sure you mix it very well to dissolve it. If it gets really hard, you can always dissolve it in a hot water, a little tiny of water before you put it into your product. But it should definitely mix very well. Definitely mix very well. And you want to add, now I'm going to be adding AshakeAde, this secret oil, into it. I will be using half bottle. When I get to the half bottle, I will know. This is AshakeAde Secret Preservative. You don't need to put preservative if you don't want to, but I like to use this preservative oil because it works really well for stretch mark. Let me measure the half bottle. I can definitely still put more half bottle. There you go. That's a half bottle of AshakeAde Secret ingredients, the preservative. Then I'm going to be mixing it very well till I make sure it dissolves very well. See, this is it. Yeah, I'll be mixing it very well. Make sure it's properly mixed. I still need to mix it very well to dissolve the aloe vera. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's it. Then I'll be putting it into my jar now. I've got my little funnel there I'll be using. Make sure it's all clean. Got my little funnel there that I'll be putting on into the jar, and I'll be adding into, and that is your stretch mark done. And I'll be putting it here. Okay, the funnel do get, you know, there you go. The reason why I'm using this spoon, because the funnel do kind of can mess up sometimes, and I don't want it to mess up and spill anywhere. So please, if you do want to get this, I'll be leaving all the ingredients and the measurement at the bottom of this video. You can always get that later to get your own product ready. If you use this product as I've shown you, please kindly give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down in the comment section. If you use it and it works, please give us a credit. We always appreciate it. Because the jar I'm using is a big jar, so, and funnel is a little bit small, so I don't want to put the jar straight onto the funnel, so I'm definitely using the spoon to make sure I don't spill it anywhere. I'll definitely get there eventually, and everything will be in the bottle. So you don't need to rush yourself. Do not waste your products. Just take your time. I'm so sorry about the noise at the background. That's my children playing. Please pardon me. You can probably continue mixing and make sure the aloe vera properly dissolved into that. There you go. It's almost done. Almost done. About 2 spoons more, we should be done. And that is it. And that is it. So I'll just clean up my bottle now. I got this seal cover. And that is our stretch mark oil. You rub it on the affected area. Make sure you rub it on your skin very well. I'll be showing you how to rub it on your skin, because a lot of people, they just want to put stretch mark oil on to the skin and rub it, and that's it. No, I always say put it on your palm like that, rub it together, and just make sure you rub it on your skin like that. Go in circles. Make sure your skin absorbs it very well. Very well. And this, believe it or not, this will really remove that stretch mark or any black dark spot on your skin. Make sure your skin absorbs very well before you remove your hand. Then rub it on your hand again. There you go. Make sure your skin absorbs very well. Very well. Then that's it. It should definitely clear the stretch mark on your skin. If you have a stubborn stretch mark, and this is how to make a stubborn stretch mark oil. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, kindly please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, AshakeAde Skin Care. If you would like to purchase any of our products, please contact us on 07729 433 480. I'll see you again. Bye for now.